Hi everyone, this is Zan. Today I have 4 great makeup dupes for you, and these consist of an eyebrow pencil, a blush, a lip liner, and a lip color. And I feel that the drugstore version of these higher end products very closely mimics the higher end with color and formulation. And I am currently wearing the luxury products on half of my face and the drugstore products on the other half of my face, and you probably can't even tell a difference. I can't tell a difference from looking in the mirror close up. The price difference between the two sides is the luxury side, which is this side, has a total price of $88, and the drugstore side came to $26.96. As always, I'll go ahead and list all of the products that I show and talk about down in the description box beneath this video in case you want to go on and read more about a certain product. And if you enjoy my videos and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Starting out with the eyebrow pencil, the high-end makeup one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Brow Definer. It retails for $23. It comes in 10 different color shades, and it has an angled tip to it. The drugstore dupe is by L'Oreal, and this is the Brow Stylist. It also has an angled tip to it. It comes in 5 different color shades, and it retails for $10.99. And I have both of mine in the shade Blonde. They both are very similar in color and texture. I find that the formula of the L'Oreal one is a little bit creamier. They both last all day. They both stay in place and don't smear or smudge. And they both have a little spoolie on the opposite end to comb them out after you put the color on. For the high-end blush, the one that I have and love is by Lancome, and this is a really pretty apricot peach shade. It retails for $32, and the drugstore dupe that I have for you is by CoverGirl. This is also a really soft apricot peach color, and it retails for just $6.99. The third makeup dupe that I have for you is a lip liner, and the high-end version is by MAC, and this is in the color shade Whirl. The drugstore dupe for that is by NYX, and this is in the color shade Mauve. And both of these are the pencil forms that you have to sharpen. The price difference between the two is the MAC one retails for $18, and the NYX pencil is $3.99. The NYX makeup dupe that I have for you is a lip color, and the high-end version is by Carli Cosmetics, and this is her lip gloss in Cocoa K. The drugstore dupe for that is by NYX, and this is the Intense Butter Gloss in Tres Leches. These are both creamy formulation, and they're both a pink nude color. The price difference between the two is the Carli Cosmetics retails for $15, whereas the NYX retails for $4.99. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are able to save a little bit of money if you go with the drugstore versions of these higher end products. If you guys have any dupes that are your favorites, please be sure to comment beneath this video. I would love to read what your favorite dupes are. Thank you so much for watching.